AC generator means we generate alternating current, a device which convert, actually AC is not generator, it's a device which convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. So generator is a pseudonym of this term, but it's not generating, it's actually converting mechanical energy to the electrical energy. Now principle on which it is based upon the principle that EMI, whenever the magnetic flux linked through the circuit changes, and EMF induced in the circuit or AC induced in the coil. For its construction, what it construct of a coil with magnetic field with two poles which applying perpendicular magnetic field to the coil, and this further coil is connected to two slip ring with brushes, with carbon brushes and a resistance. These are the two slip rings. Now first of all, working, let us consider the coil ABCD is placed parallel to the plane of paper. When force is applied to the arm AB in outward direction, according to Fleming right hand rule, current will induce in the arm which in upward direction, and in CP it's directed downward. Means when EMF is induced, like magnetic field is applied, coil is perpendicular to this, due to induced EMF, it's what it try to, this coil try to do what, this coil try to oppose this EMF or this magnetic field by inducing a current from this to this, and first of all in A to B in upward direction, D to C in downward direction. Then the coil rotate. So when the force is applied on CD in outward direction, then as the coil rotates, then the direction of force also changes, due to which current direction also changes in AB and CD. Now we have to calculate the expression for induced EMF. We know phi is equals to BA cos theta, theta is equals to omega t, or by substituting the value of phi in formula of induced EMF, when we substitute the value and solve it, we get induced EMF is equals to BA omega sin omega t. So for n number of turns, we have n number of turns, we must just multiply it with n, where E is equals to what? E naught sin omega t. E is equals to E naught sin omega t. So by comparing this equation 1 and equation 2, we get E naught is equals to NB A omega. So if we want to calculate current is voltage by resistance, that is voltage is E naught sin omega t upon resistance, we get I naught R sin omega t. So power dissipated in one complete cycle is equals to this much. This is the power average power dissipated in one complete cycle. So this AC is not a generator, it's actually a converter which convert mechanical energy to electrical energy.